Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Exciting video. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to actually exit this trade live here. I just ended up calling out a Telegram exit. We just won our 86th for 86 trade. We won 85 for 85 yesterday on Matic. That was 7.65%. Then we took more on the other 50%. I'll show that to you guys. Actually, I'll show it to you right now. Matic, this is the one that we ended up taking. Let me just pull up Matic real quick. Where'd you go? There it is. So we ended up exiting right here, and then we ended up having a stop loss here. We ended up hitting that. And so basically this trade is finished, and we're basically in the next buy limit waiting for that to be picked up. Okay, come over to Ethereum. Ethereum has been moving up here. We've been in this trade. For those of you guys who took the signal at 4350, you just exited 7.37% in the profit. Those of us, like myself, who got down here at 4,000, I even got emails yesterday. A lot of people were like, man, what are we gonna do for this $4,000 guys? I said, we're gonna exit when we exit the first position that got triggered in at 4350. So we just did about 16.79% on the trade for those of you guys who got picked up down here. This is the reason why you do not have to wait to get into trades. Every single day I have new buy limits set up on the chart. So no matter if you see YouTube, I show one trade and the market goes down, always be setting up your buy limits based off the ones I'm going to show you guys in this video. So make sure you guys are watching that. So here's what we're going to do. I already exited the market order here for 50% at 7.37%. But now I'm going to show you guys how I move the stop loss order in Coinbase Pro, and we're going to move that to 450621. So let's get in here. Let's dive, and we're going to do this live. So we're going to open Coinbase, and this is the live account here. I'm going to navigate over here to Ethereum USD, which I was already on, but we're just going to do this again. So Ethereum USD, and then we're going to do sell stop, and I want to make sure that I'm coming over here and I'm looking at the price that I called out. This is the exact same thing you guys are going to do. So 450621. Okay, 450621. Stop price 450621, 450621. I'm going to sell, and I'm going to take this away. Actually, I'll leave it where it is right now. I'm going to sell max. So the amount of money I had in Ethereum, let's just say it was 100%. I ended up calling a 50% exit. So we ended up taking 50% out at the market order price, and that was a market exit. And now we're going to simply remove the other 50%. So what would be remaining is simply 50%, which is I'm going to put max, okay? For me, that's 0.19, about $888 for the Ethereum trade, okay? The stop loss is going to be placed in here. I'm going to do sell, stop. The stop price and the limit price, I keep them the same. I'm not worried about this. If you guys have a lot of money, maybe you could put the limit price a little bit higher, like you could put it to 7 if you want. This basically tells the exchange, hey, at this limit price, trigger in a order on the exchange for a market exit at 450621. I usually keep it at the same price, but you guys don't have to. Put it a little bit higher if you guys want. That's totally fine. And then what you guys are going to do in here is once you see that, you're just going to place sell order. So place sell order, and you guys are going to see it show up over here. Great. We now have a stop loss in the exchange for Ethereum for this trade, and we will all be taken out automatically if the price comes back down here. Now, for the fun part, today, guys, literally you have 24 hours left to snag our indicators in the bundle pack. Just want to let you guys know that, okay? Not going to spend a lot of time marketing it. Get it in the description. You have literally 24 hours left. Here is why I made this call. It's a very fun video, so you can see this live. The price versus the well money flow is very high here. So we're pushing up, and the flow of money is very strong, showing us that the bulls ended up taking over here, and we're heading up very fast. We also see that the trend exhaustion here has been moving up really close to the top level here in the red section. Now, historically, when we see us move up into the top red section here, as well as the well money flow, this is when we are seeing drops back down in the price very fast, and I am expecting to see some type of pullback in the market. Now, this may actually put us into a little bit of a kind of a bear market crash here, because if we look at what's happened before, this is where we've headed down very quickly, and very quickly over here. We could see this over here, and so on and so forth. This is how I make money in the markets. This is how we as a community are pulling out these trade wins, as a lot of the market actually has been in a bear market cycle here. We hit our goal of 85 for 85, and we now hit 86 for 86 wins. I'm talking while I'm doing this. I'm showing you guys what's happened as we pushed up into the top red section here. So as this has happened here, we've seen a drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I actually came out and showed you guys 10 drops the other day that this actually ended up calling. This may actually end up being the 11th drop that we see called on the charts here. So make sure you guys are watching that. Now, if this thing comes up here, we want to make sure we give it a little bit of a room for a move back down, and then maybe more room to move back up for another high. So I'm looking for the low, the high, the higher low formation that may come back down somewhere around this level to this structure low. I'm going to be below this, so the stop loss is below this structure here, so it can give it room to move down, and then it can shoot up even higher if it wants. All right, that's why you guys need these indicators, because this is calling a potential drop in here. I would say we have about a 75 to 80% chance that this is going to create a higher low formation and actually come back down, most likely take out the stop loss, but we're going to secure this profit over 16% for those of you guys who got in down here for the $4,000 entry. All right, we're going to fly through this real quick as far as the metrics. I'm going to skip this. I'm going to show this to you guys real quick. Basically, we have short trades continually to take over and long trades are staying the same. We're getting some bullishness in the market. I want to look at this real quick, and then I get into where I think this is going to go to give us some targets, okay? This is just a fun video. And in just like 2 minutes here, I'll show you guys how to get into our trade setups so you don't have to miss another one, and I'll show you guys the sell we have going on in the indicators. Give me just 1 second. I want to honor the people who are here for the technical analysis, the OGs of the YouTube community, and those of you guys who knew, I'll teach you how to get into this in the second half of the video. All right, let's go. Well, in institutional smart money, I want to just look at this real quick from what we saw yesterday. This was showing us that we had a little bit of short trades coming out in the market, but it wasn't very strong. So yesterday when we ended up seeing that, we ended up seeing this little bit of a move back down, but now we're starting to shoot back up here. So what can happen sometimes here, if bulls take over, I was watching this and I was saying, okay, this is showing us that we are moving up in the market here, but we could be moving back down here a little bit more. And that was when we saw this move up here and we saw a little bit of a pause. This morning, if you guys are watching this metric, I'm pretty sure what's going to show here is this is actually going to show a stronger sentiment for short trades in the market, and this orange bar is going to come down even further, showing us that we are in an overextension, which we are seeing down here with the indicators have called the last 10 drops in here. This could be the 11th call that it calls here. We could be seeing this extension move up and then a nice move back down. So we are taking profits. Right now, a lot of retail traders are getting very excited and they're jumping on this trade here because they see that it broke this resistance and they think it's going to go to the moon. That's not what we're doing. We are going to sell this as it's going up, but we are also going to keep money in the market. If this thing keeps wanting to go higher, I'm going to take the stop loss and I'll keep calling out in the Telegram channel moves of this all the way up. Taking a look at support and resistance prices, this was the target that I was looking at, 4,867. So 4,867 is actually up here. This is where I think we could actually go. So sorry, that was the worst line I've ever drawn in my life. Right around this area. Okay, so this is the area where I'm thinking that we could possibly head by Friday, about 4,867. This is clearly a structure high. If we break through here, it is a nice little move up from here, because if you guys look left, we've got structures over here, but if we keep looking left on the chart, let me get us to a bigger time frame here. This would be kind of fun to look at. We're pretty much in what's called a blue sky breakout. So if this thing just blasts up here, I think the next target is going to be the ascending resistance line, all these fancy words in here, and I think that could possibly put us right around the area of about $5,000. That's going to be the psychological level that we're probably going to drop back down from. Now, looking at the trend exhaustion on the daily time frame here, we are getting closer to the top section as well as the well money flow. This is why you guys need these indicators to watch these moves back down in the market when we get up here. When we get overextended, not small moves are happening in the market, even on the daily time frame. I'm going to stick to the 4 hour because I think that's the most accurate, but here is how we are literally doing this live. I'm showing you how I'm doing this. This is what you guys get when you join the channel. So let's go over this really quickly. Let me see if I have anything else for you guys. No, that's pretty much it. I wanted to show you guys how I exit with the stop loss and how I'm doing these orders in here and how we're making money, because this is now our 86 for 86 winning trade. So that's the technical analysis side of the video. Let me show you guys now how to sign up for this so you don't miss another trade, because we've never lost a single trade that we've taken, and I'm showing you guys how we're doing this live. It's been really fun. Like the account portfolio right now, we've got to be over around 50,000. Yeah, 50,600. So from yesterday to today, we've increased the account balance about $1,000. So that's been really cool. Here is how you guys start trading with us and doing exactly what I just did. The membership is $49 a month. This is going to be going up, okay, within the next quarter. So in the next 3 to 4 months, I'm going to be upping this price, just so you guys know. Everyone who gets in at $49, I will grandfather all of you guys in, okay? What that's going to give you access to is all the metrics. I'll be doing a couple more videos today, and I'll show you guys the metrics. But I just covered Ethereum yesterday, that's why I didn't go too much into it. It's going to give you guys access to all the metrics, and this is where you guys really want to pay attention. It is over here at the live trades calls. This is where every single one of our 86 wins have been called out, is literally on this one single website online. possibly the greatest win rate we've ever seen on YouTube. That sounds so arrogant. I'm sorry if that sounds arrogant, but literally, I think we have the highest win rate for cryptocurrency over here. That's why a lot of people are joining us. Here's what you guys want to do. Obviously, we're talking about Ethereum, and watch for buy limits to update today because this market is moving up. Those buy limits that did not get hit, I'm going to be moving them up closer to the entry so we can all get tagged in faster, okay? Watch this. Here's what you're going to do. Bitcoin's going to be the example today. Check back here 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every day in case these updates. Follow me. This is going to be so ridiculously simple. All you guys are going to do is take the trade allotment that you have. Let's say it's $1,000 or say $4,000, $10,000. Take your trade allotment and you guys are going to split it into 4 equal portions. If we use $1,000 for an example, $250 will be placed at each buy limit down here. So buy limit 1, buy limit 2, buy limit 3, and buy limit 4, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, then we want to be setting a stop loss, a sell, sorry, I'm just thinking about this trade. We're going to set a sell limit. So take your trade allotment, you're going to split it into 25% increments and place those in the exchange immediately at buy limits of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here's the prices in yellow. Very, very clear for everyone to see. Once your first buy limit is hit, follow me? You are going to set a sell limit at the green line here. Now, once the first buy limit is hit, you guys do not move any of the other buy limits. Keep them where they are at. It's only if this price fluctuates and you guys haven't had the first buy limit get hit and the price moves up and you check this today and this says 11:30, this is going to up the buy limit here so we can get in faster. Make sure you guys update that so once you guys get in the trade, you'll be in there. It's going to get you in faster, so we're not going to wait for the price to come all the way back down. Once you guys do that, all you have to do is join me in the Telegram channel over here, and this will actually be where I call exits for all of the coins, okay? You guys want to join on Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then once you do that, this will be a hot link, and this will give you guys access over here. I'm using the indicators just as I showed you this morning to call these exits in the market. That is the trend exhaustion, the price for swell money flow. Also look in the trend dashboard. When this is all green, retail traders are going long, or we're going to be looking to sell. This is what you guys want to pick up. This is literally your last day. So here's the indicator deal I've got going on, and I should change this. I'm sorry, I literally got up and just recorded this video. I'm going to change this to say 24 hours left because this literally has 24 hours. I will have this correct in the description. Today is the last day of November. You have 24 hours left to snag our bundle pack, and this price is going to go up $50 December 1st at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to come out and do videos tomorrow morning, do some emails, and I'm going to up the price, okay? Get this bundle pack, guys. It is literally 24. This is not 48 hours anymore. It is 24 hours now, and you guys will see this price go up. Now, at minimum, you want to get the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. The reason for this is I'm using these on every single one of my analysis on YouTube, as well as all the analysis over on the exits in Telegram. Getting these 3, if you guys pay just a few more bucks, you're going to get the bundle pack, and you're going to get 6 more indicators on top of these 3. So do not miss this, guys. This is sold separately from the membership, but this is absolutely the best deal you guys want to be snagging, and it is 24 hours, not 48 hours left for this. So make sure you guys get that today. I'll send out an email to all of our subscribers, one last email. I know you guys are probably getting annoyed at those. I only send out emails if we have big deals going on. Besides that, I don't send out emails. So you guys want to make sure you snag this. It is going to go up $50 December 1st. Make sure you guys put those on your charts. Set up your buy limits because I am going to be upping the buy limits so we can get back in here. For those of you guys who are brand new to this trade, I'll be upping the buy limits so you guys can get into the next trade. God bless you guys. Once this trade hits the stop loss here, I'm just going to take the next trade setup that got hit on our website over here. So make sure you guys have that buy limit set up, and I'll be covering it in Telegram as well as on YouTube. Congratulations, guys. We just went 86 for 86 wins. Let's see. I don't think we're going to get too many more by the end of the month because this is our last day. But we're going to try to go 90 for 90 wins in the month of December. So I'm just super excited for you guys. Great job, everybody. Have a blast doing this and have fun coming over here and looking at the profits. People are making $1,700 on VET in the last 10 days. This guy over here, 25 for 25 wins on the system that he's done. And he's up 50, excuse me, not 20. He's up 50% in his portfolio in the last 6 weeks. If you guys see that, that is just insane. $20,000 in crypto and stocks because of the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow. So guys, I had an awesome time recording this video today for you. We're literally live trading over here. So get the indicators before those go up in price. You have 24 hours. Make sure you guys are also getting the membership and setting up your buy limits, as well as joining the Telegram channel. Let's see what happens here, but I'm going to make this call. It's happened 10 times. This is going to be the 11th time in a row. Watch for this to move back down. It might head up a little bit further, but overall, watch for this move back down because these indicators are looking to call a drop back down on Ethereum. If we keep going up, I'm just going to keep moving the stop loss up, and follow me in Telegram for that. God bless you guys. Get everything you need in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's make some more money.